Scream Rama, the horror of Wandsworth, would like to warn guests that they have 5 minutes to leave alive. Staff are reminded again to leave guests alone once they've exited the premises and not to follow them home and hide in their garden, as this does not count as 5-star service and can have lethal consequences. Thank you.
I know I'm not meant to venture onto the scare floor, but I wanted to see how your annoying but vital celebrity friend is getting on scaring tourists. I've made a brew. How are we settling in? Killed each other yet?
No, I just killed her.
Why? Stupid question. She's a cow.
Was a cow.
Was a cow, yes. But how?
Well, I hit her on the head with what I thought was a fake hammer.
We don't have any fake hammers. We've never had fake hammers. Who's heard of a fake hammer?
It doesn't look. If it doesn't work out, promise me you won't try and fake a fit and defend me in court.
Right.
Yes.
We'll have to dump her in with the recycling.
You can't do that.
You're right. They don't pick it up for 2 days. Got to do this properly, respectfully. These shoes. These nice shoes. Is this plastic? They won't take her if we get this wrong. Are implants biodegradable? They look fake.
Look, don't prod her.
Why did you hit her?
Well, she asked for it.
I beg your pardon. That sounds terrible.
No. She said, "What do you do here?" And I said, "Surprise people." And she said that didn't sound likely, so I hit her on the head with a hammer.
No.
But,
Oh, no.
yes, oh no.
But, oh no, something else. Stefan Terraman. I invited him round for a bit of, well, you know, chit and chat and
Look,
things.
he's not your lover boy. Look, he owns the Mega Scream. His horror attraction is bigger than ours, and size isn't everything, you know.
It really is, you know. Hang on. Didn't I see her twitch?
See her what? No, I mean, look, I think she's all right, just knocked out a bit.
She looks pale. Or is that makeup?
I hope.
She looks a bit like Gary Newman. Maybe they're related.
Look, Gary Newman is not my dad. Look, you distract Stefan Terraman. Right? Don't sigh. You can sigh later.
Oh.
Look, while I pop her in the corner, if she wakes up, we can just say that some tourist hit her. It happens.
Don't leave her here. If Tony's a fan, he'll be off with her outfit. eBay would pay loads if she's as famous as you say.
Oh, good idea. Look, give me a hand. Look, lift. Look.
Ugh.
Okay, you take her to the office and hide her behind that inflatable crocodile, okay?
All right.
Rocky.
Can I take her shoes? They're nice. Nice shoes are like gold in the shape of a really nice shoe.
Look, why would a tourist hit her and steal her footwear?
Maybe it was Jack the Slipper.
Oh, God, look, I prefer your joke about the nuns.